watching Mafia TV.
You're watching Mafia TV.
You're watching Mafia TV.
You're watching Mafia TV. You're watching Mafia TV.
What are you watching today?
Mafia TV.
That car looks like my grandmother's car. She used to go pick up groceries in after she ran into a few cars in the parking lot. We finally sold it, yes. And her car smokes like that, yes. It's only smoking out of one side. We've got 7 cars in this seat. I've got 5, 6 out here. The 7th one is coming through. All right, I want to go through the list. In the 44B, out of Princeton, New Jersey, Robert Etherton Jr. Out of Salem, New Jersey, with the PMS, Dawn Ellis. Just west of Delaware, Denton, Maryland, the woman team of Paul Allen. A fan favorite out of Denton, Delaware, Johnny Hollister in the 49. Out of Boston Memorial Bridge, Byron, New Jersey, with number 70, Michael Bosma. Out of Belton, Delaware, the 420-69, Paul Perry. And rounding out the 7 in Heat 1, a local from Harrington, Delaware, number 88, none other than Adam Cahall. Drivers, we're going to count down from 5. Drivers, are you ready? Give them up. On your call. Ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Robert didn't have the first. Red flag. All right. All right, that's the 118 of Paul Allen out of Denton, Maryland. We're going to make sure he and the car are doing fine. Mostly we have to take care of our driver. Our first responders are out there, our firemen. I'm pretty sure Paul just didn't want to be cooled down, but he had a little bit of heat going on there, to put it mildly. I guess the question is, Robert, can get off of that pole there. Maybe somebody will hit you. The poles and tires are not a friend in the Derby. If not, he will come back in the Kasi, I'm sure. But good luck to you, sir. There's your winner. He's walking over to second place. There's your second place. And your third place is right there.
Thank you for watching Mafia TV.
Yeah, no.